Come on, little Papio. That's right. Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone. Sobahul Khair, Guten Morgen, Ohayo gozaimasu. Hope you guys are healthy and safe as always. So today, it's a full wet. Yeah, basically it's a full wet. It's a full wet and rainy ride. Huh. Which is a good thing because at least I can try out the new tire for the little Papio, right? And see how it performs in the wet. And at the same time, I can actually test the camera setup. Today I'm not using multiple camera. I'm just using, previously I didn't even use a multiple camera anyway. I'm just using the same old camera. Okay, so construction is going good. Hopefully it can be done soon. And yeah, nice. Today's weather is cold and wet, and I like this kind of weather. I like to ride in this kind of weather. Why? Simply because I can actually practice my basic again. Yeah, I can practice my basic. That's what I want to do, right? Tire geli-geli. Oh man, the tire is squiggling under me. It's been quite a while since I ride in the rain, full wet, with proper riding gear and a tire to fit. So yeah, my riding skill in the rain is very, very rusty. So yeah, I need to polish my basic in the rain. Oh man, this is so not me. Is it because of the confidence in the tire? Oh man, I don't have any confidence in the tire. I don't know, but we'll see how it goes. So I'm riding the CFMoto, the little CFMoto. Oh, squiggly, oi, squiggling. Oh, I forgot how to adjust my. I really forgot how to adjust my steering in the wet. This is so frustrating. Come on, at least I need to achieve my target today. Come on. At least the little Papio. The good thing about me riding the Papio and test the Angel scooter tire, the bike is not fast, it's not that fast. So if you want to whack the bike like crazy, you cannot. But if you don't treat the bike with respect, it can can flip you over, you know. So always treat your machine with respect. Alright, everyone, ride your machine with respect. Don't be a poser. Oh man, this is so slow. Lại cho em Brian tak turun juga. Why am I slow? Why am I hesitating to go down? Yeah, that's a problem. Why am I hesitating to go down? I don't know. Seriously, I don't know. Maybe because my basic is out in the rain. Ow! Bila suit aku basah. There goes my suit, there goes my boot, my glove, my helmet, the whole lot. It's okay. As long as I have my safety gears on, nothing can, nothing can get in my way in testing. But yeah, like I said just now, okay, back to the topic. The reason why I really like to ride in this kind of weather is because I can really test my level of basic mastering. So, simply put, I don't even master my basic yet. See, I'm panicking, I'm hesitating, my vision is out of whack. Come on, Moose. Come on, man, come on. You can do it. Remember back in the old days when you ride with Ibet and the Ibet, what did he told you? Come on, Musi. Come on, man. Come on, yeah. Come on. Yes, shorter. Yes. Body positioning, not so much, I think. Well, it does play a role, but you really need to have confidence and not panicking. That's the whole idea. Ui, fall neutral now. I went into false neutral. Seriously. Thank you lah, Papio. I don't want the screen to be on during the recording. You just record, that's it. Oh, this new camera. Wow, kabus! Yay! Riders in the fog. Ding 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 ding. Ada. Babi lah kau. Dia lambat. Sorry, thank you, sorry. Come on, Papio, you can do it, Come on, Papio, yes. Get into the rhythm, get into the groove, man. But yeah, oh man, it's raining. But it's not crazy heavy, but it's still raining. Oh, it's still raining, even though it is not a heavy rain, but it's still raining, and the road is wet, full wet. So I'm riding in the rain, and I'm walking potong rumput. Oh, I'm riding in the rain. Whoosh! The tire is slipping under me. Oh, brake. Why? Yeah, this is why. Wow, they still. Oh, look at that, man. Look at that. Still debris on the road. Yeah, I can't push like crazy here because the road is not 100% ready yet. Oh man, look at that. Look at them trees at the side of the road. Oh man, look at them trees. Uy, apa hal kau? Oh man, I am not relaxed right now. My visor is foggy. Oh man, I knew I should have wear the AGV rather than this one. Oh well. Yes. Oh, taya. Taya. Ah, the rear tire is sliding. Angel scooter. Oh, Angel scooter is good, especially on the wet. Oh, on the dry and on the wet. Yeah, on the dry I know, but on the wet, are you sure? Based on my testing now, it was sliding all over the place just now. Yeah, it has grips, but when it comes to the edge, oh man, can I really ride this on the edge using this tire? Huh, Papio? Huh? Do you think we can give it? Nah, let's just ride safely. Ha! Ha! Yes! Yes, Papio. Yes, Papio. Ooh, 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 ooh. Don't lose the front. Don't lose the front. I'm okay to lose the rear, but I'm not okay at losing the front. I may want to have a CFMoto one. Just to, you know, just to play with them slides. Oh, there's a car. Oh, no. There's a car and a truck 4x4. Up ahead, up ahead, up ahead. Oh yeah, I think there's someone is actually taking pictures. Yeah. What kind of pictures? I don't know. Buah durian ke? Are they taking pictures of buah durian? That would be good to see. Hey! Boop, 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 boop. Relax, 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 relax. Ah, I'm leaning, yes. I'm leaning with the bike. Yes, yes. Ah, there's dirt on the road. So it's very dangerous. Yes, I'm leaning on the wet. Oh man. Oh sorry lah. Sorry Papio. Yes, I'm leaning in the wet. I'm leaning in the wet too. And what is that? Oh yeah, that's a water pipe, a PVC water pipe on the road, in the middle of the road. Well, not actually in the middle, but on the side of the road. Well, you get the idea. They are on the road, that's it. So be extra careful, eh? Yeah, yes, yes. I managed to overtake the car. Don't buy that car. Thank you, bye bye. Yeah. Come on. Yay! Come on. Yes. Yeah. Boom. Same line, same old line. Yes. Oh man. At least the tire has grip. That one I can 100% confirm. At least the tire has grip. You know what? I just can't. I don't know why. I'm still hesitating. I don't know why I'm hesitating. Ayyo. I don't have much riding time in the wet. Maybe. Or maybe I don't have the right tire before this. Hence why I'm hesitating. There's a lot of factors that I need to consider. We finished stage 2. We're done with stage 2. Now on to the sighting stage and stage 1. Where bloody is that? I have no idea. I don't care. Let's go, let's go. Come on, Papio. Come on. We need to do some top speed test here. While in the rain. Come on. Yes. Come on, 106, 109, 111, 112, 113, 11, I don't know. Yeah, 100 plus something, you minus 10. That's the, I believe that's the stop speed. Yes, I'm on fire. Okay, that's enough. That's enough shenanigans for the day. Let's just enjoy our ride back to Klawang. Eat a bit. I don't know how to do live. Can I do live? Can I? You know, while riding live. TikTok or whatever, right? Do that. Is there a way? Is it possible to do live? Maybe on Instagram or live on TikTok or Facebook, right? You know, while riding and then you just do live. How to do it? With the WSBK, BSB, AMA, and also ASBK and New Zealand Superbike Series can do it. You know, they broadcast their race live. So, can I do it? Something that I need to ponder on. Maybe if I do YouTube live, right? At least I don't need to, you know, I don't need to do some post editing whatsoever. After the live is finished, straight away upload into YouTube. Right? Live streaming. Something to wonder on. Oh well. Alright, we finished our sighting stage using 5th gear only. Now we're going to stage 1. Yeah, bye bye. Okay, this is where we need to rock the Papio. Come on. Yeah. Open up 4th gear. Yeah, no 3rd gear, going uphill. Yes, come on. Whoop. 4th gear lah. 4th gear, come on, Papio, come on, you can do it, Papio. 70 kilometers from Petronas station. Let's go. go. Come on, Papio. Come on. Yes. Yes. Yeah. 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 Come on. Come on. Tak ada orang kat belakang. No one at the back. So come on. Come on. Let's touch. Let's touch. Oi. We sleep. Depan belakang kau. Let's sleep. A little bit of sleep. Almost front and rear just now. Oh no. Okay, Papio. Okay, Papio. Okay, Papio. I treat you respectfully. Okay, okay, okay. So you have to. Oh, this is where I need to really test my basic and the setup. Is it because the tire pressure is too high? Yeah, I think my tire pressure is too high. I put 28-30 cold. Most likely that's contributing to the slide front and rear. Oh, I didn't even bring my pressure gauge today. Oh man. Yeah, okay, now we're going downhill. Be careful. Alright, okay, now he's going to the right. He's banking right. Yes, the tire is sliding. He can feel it. And there's traffic up ahead. Oh, boost his mood. Oh, break his steam. Oh, come on, come on. Oh, I cannot overtake this car. Okay, maybe I can. Yes, he's overtaking the car. Now he's going right. And then he's going left. Yeah, going to the finish line. Well, the finish line is still too far away. But let's see how he manages basic. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, he's leading the bike. Well, not the bike, but he's leading himself. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, says gear. Top gear. Top gear. Oh. There's a bit of a slip and slide. Yes. Yes. Now he's going for the kill. No, he's not. He's not going for the kill because nothing to kill. Oh. Yes. Oh. He managed to properly maintain his throttle. That's good, even though the back is sliding like crazy. Yes, yeah. Can he manage to? Nope, he cannot. Woo! Yeah! He managed to overtake the mighty so-called King Kong in Malaysia. King Kong of the road, mighty. Yeah, he finished. Yeah. Everyone goes wild. Apa benda tengah-tengah? Apa benda ni? Oh, Daud. And there he goes, everyone. He managed to finish his ride for today. Yes. There he goes, waving to the crowd. Alright. Wow, waving to the crowd, managed to finish his ride safely, right? Yeah, look at that, he's posing. Yo, poser gila mamak ni. Oh, you see, oh, ada benda mati, binatang mati kat bawah tu. Okay, tak apa. Alright, sorry for that, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, just a little bit of fun. Okay, so that's it for my ride today. Full wet. Yeah, nice. So thank you very much, everyone. Thank you very much for your time, everyone. You guys enjoyed it. Thank you for those who stayed until the end. Stay safe, take care, and as always, enjoy your ride. See ya in the next one.